Hey everybody, today is going to be kind of just a random collective haul. Without further ado, let's just get right into the haul. First place I'm going to do is icings, because I only got one thing from there, and it is these little middle finger skeleton stud earrings. Next, we're gonna do Dollar Tree. First thing I got is just some jump rings, and then I got this reindeer moss, and it's super messy, so I'm gonna leave it in the bag. But I got these 2 packs of white Model Magic. In the next bag, we have these Now and Later apple flavored candy cane, and then these musical instrument stickers. Got some yarn for a project I'll probably never do. Hot cocoa bar, 50 cents, warm up here on the farm. I was gonna do a hot cocoa bar, and then I decided it would just be a waste of money because I would never actually set it up, but it's still a cute sign. And then I got this cookie sheet to do crafts on, like a cookie sheet dedicated to doing crafts on and melting things on. And then I got these lemon head candy canes. Got some flour for salt dough ornaments. Could not find the correct salt at Dollar Tree though. Hopefully I remember to get that before Christmas. Something I'm super excited about is these Cold Stone ice cream flavored candy canes. Mint chip birthday cake and strawberry blonde. Next we're gonna do Ross. I literally only went there to get this. And this is the first time I've ever done that. Went in for one item, came out with one item. But I got this for my boyfriend for Christmas. If you saw in my previous Christmas haul video, I originally got a smaller set, but I decided that, you know, I would spend the extra $10 and get a fancy set for 2. Next we have TJ Maxx. Only thing I got there was this Ed Hardy mug. Next is Five Below. I got a bunch of candy there, but that candy no longer exists. Anyways, this is the only thing left from that haul of Five Below. And it's just the little Squishmallow Ruby, the reindeer. Next is Walmart. This first thing will not fit on camera. And I don't think I can film it in any way that is productive. But it's light brown, tan, kind of furry, has these mushrooms all over it, and it's just a little pullover sweater thingy. And then I've been seeing these all over online. It's Living on the Veg Mushroom stuffed animals. Next we have Michael's Craft Store. First 3 things we got is just some yarn because it was on sale, and one of our friends literally only asked for yarn for Christmas, so I started collecting yarn for her. And then their rainbow loom stuff was on sale, so I got a couple packs. And then I got this super cute found objects set, and it was clearanced for $1.24. But I can't figure out what's wrong with it. Usually they just do that when items are broken or damaged, broken or there's one of the things missing, but everything's there and everything looks fine, so I don't know why this was on clearance, but I'm glad it was. And then they were having 70% off beads. I had some self-control and only got 3 sets, but yeah, I use these a lot, so I figured they would be good to get with that sale. And then here's the one singular item that I went to that store for, so these are real freshwater pearls, $10. They were 70% off, so they're only 3. Whole reason I went. And lastly, we have Hobby Lobby. Once again, this is the only thing I went there for. A fine tip brown paint marker for $1.99. And then they have these little styrofoam bead things, $1.99, but they were on sale 70% off, so I got some to hopefully put in slime in the future. And speaking of Christmas stuff being 70% off, I had to get these guys. Like usual, they are meant for the mini Christmas trees, but I will be turning them into earrings, so just adding more things to my list of things I need to get done. But that is it for today's haul video. Tell me in the comments down below which item was your favorite, and like this video if you like haul videos, and subscribe, I don't know. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.